Hi, good morning. Welcome to the demo video for Sentinel ePos mobile shop software. This software is commonly used in mobile shop repair or computer shop or anything to the technology if you're selling electric store or but a main purpose for making this software is for the people who do repairs as well, like mobile repairs, laptop repair or cycle repairs. When you log in the first screen, you can make multiple user accounts. You can use a device called RFID reader to touch and log in. That device costs extra £90. And then you can assign each staff member a staff card which you can touch like a debit card and log in, or you can tap in the password on a screen to log in. Once you log in, you will see all your categories as a picture. You can put all the pictures on the category. You can make, there's no limit on how many categories you can make. You can make 10, 20, 30 or 100 categories. So categories are basically departments. Once you click on the department, like if I click on cases and cover, it will show all the products inside cases and covers. And then I can go back. If I click on unlock, it will show all the product in unlock. You can make multiple. Again, there's no limit of making the products on the screen. uh, the only purpose of these buttons is for the product that don't have the barcode. For the product that have the barcode, you don't need to make any buttons. You just scan and it will sell it straight away. So if we are selling, let's say iPhone 5 case, we click on iPhone 5, then Samsung case, and to finish the order, we just press pay. If customer is paying cash £20, we press £20 cash. It will print the receipt and open the cash drawer and show you the change. And if you brought the second screen system, on the second screen it will show this change screen as well. If you're selling something with the barcode, then you don't need to press any button. All you need to do is just scan the item. So as soon as you scan, like I'm scanning this Bluetooth headphone, it will go to the card. And same way you can press pay. If customer is paying, let's say half cash, half card, you can do, let's say £25 by cash, and then rest of the money by credit card, and it will start the transaction. It's integrated with the payment sense. So if you see all the card, you don't once you uh, connect with the payment sense card reader, which is we are partnered with payment sense, then you don't need to tap in the amount into the card machine. It goes automatically to the payment sense. And at the moment, payment sense is cheapest in the market. They're running very good promotions. So to finish a credit card transaction, all you need to do is just press the credit card and then ask the customer to type in the key and process the transaction. So if I press credit card now, it will record £25 in cash and £25 97 pence in credit card transactions as well. So it's very easy to use the software itself. If you want to add something which is not in the system, all you need to do is scan the barcode. For example, I'm scanning this barcode. The software is automatically ask you, do you want to add this product? You press yes, and then define which category you want this product in. Let's say you're adding something in chargers, and the barcode is already there. Give a product name. So I'll write the name. You can use this on a screen keyboard as well. So iPhone charger, and then give a retail price. So 2.99, let's say, and then department, it belongs to chargers. Again, how many unit you got in stock. If you don't want to use the stock feature, you can ignore the stock. And then if there is any messages notes for your staff, for example, you want to give a message to staff, check before sell. So, and then save. This product is now added. If I scan it now, it will give the notes you write, and then it will put it into the cart. So it's very easy to use software. Again, if you want to make any promotions, for example, if I scan this headphone, the headphone is 16.99, but you're running a promotion. If somebody is buying two, instead of 16.99 is £15 each. You can run the promotion very quickly. All you need to do is go to the pause items, stock, offers, and press add and write the offer name. What's the discount you're giving? So is one is 16.99, so you're giving two nine basically 398 discount on two, so 398 on two. So we're giving discount on two, so I'll write here two, and then we scan the headphone again. It's added into the list. Now we'll press save. So what will happen now, if we scan headphone now. The first one is 1698. As soon as I scan the second one, it will apply the discount and make the price £30. Again, it's very easy to use. If you are a repair shop and you want to book a job, you can book a job as well. It's got very comprehensive job tools. So you can press jobs and then you add a job, write the customer, first of all, model. What's the model? For example, you are repairing iPhone 5s. What's the repair fault? You can write here not charging fault. And then when you're promising the customer to deliver, you're promising 24. Labor deposit, you can leave it blank and then confirm job. Color, you can give a color silver, let's say, and then you can add a customer. So to add a customer, you need to press find, and then if it's not an old customer, it's his first time coming into your shop, you need to press add customer, write customer detail. So mobile number first, then name, then address, postcode is optional. Account limit you can give if you do on credit, you can give a account limit as well. Balance, there's no balance, and then expiry, leave if it's not a membership scheme, you can leave the expiry blank. Now customer is made, already made. You double click on the customer, and then the job details are there. The only thing left is you need to take the customer signature. So to take the customer signature, you double click on no image data, and then using a pen, digital pen, which is available for 50 to 100 pound in market, and we can supply one for 95 pound. You can ask customer to sign, and once the customer signed, you can finish and continue. For example, once you press continue, it will bring you to this page. So let's say this customer repair, you need to charge him for some parts. So you can charge him for anything. Maybe you charge unlocking, charging him for unlocking. You can charge 25 pound for unlocking, and then he's buying a case as well. So you're charging him for the case, and then he's buying some or he's just buying unlocking an iPhone case. You press pay. As soon as you press pay, if customer is paying something, you can record it here. If customer is not paying anything at this stage, you can press not paid, and then save the receipt. So at the moment, I don't have a printer installed. So what I will do, I will save the invoice or receipt on the screen so I can show you how it looks like. So one, it's saved. So I'll show you how the invoice will look like. So invoice, you will see your logo here on the top, and then all the contents, and then your terms and condition, and on the bottom you will see customer signature, and if you are a VAT register, you can see customer sign and VAT number as well. So it's very easy to use software. It's got all the features for mobile phone. You can see any job status later as well. So if you want to see the job list, you can log in, and then you can see to jobs, and it will show you all the jobs here. You can search by customer name as well. You can search by telephone number. You can search by job ID, and then you can double click on the job anytime, and then you can cancel it, delete it, or you can edit the job as well. So it's again very easy to use software. You can add buttons on a screen, you can add barcode products, you can print label as well. So for example, if few of your products don't have any barcode, let's say you're selling used mobile phone, you can basically print the labels sticker, stick it on the mobile phone, and as soon as you stick the mobile phone, and later you can scan it. For label printer is 90, I think 85 pound extra for the brother label printer, which is available in Currys and PC World, and we supply as well. And if you want label printer is extra if you want to print something which don't have the barcode from the factory. You can print the barcode label, you can stick it on your product, and later you can scan it to sell that product as well. Or you can make a product on the screen as a buttons, and you can press the button to sell it. Or the final last option is you can press the search button. It will show you all your products here, and you can search any product to sell it. So if I press blue, it will search Bluetooth headphone. If I double click, it will go to the cart as well. Is again, it comes with all our hardware comes with 1 year warranty. We got single screen system, we got double screen system, and software is with lifetime license with this. Nothing to pay after you paid the initial setup cost. Changing price is easy. For example, if I'm scanning this headphone, is at the moment the headphone is 16.99 and you want to change the price, you just click on price change, you click the headphone again, and then once you click the headphone, you can change the price as well. Yeah, so the price is here 16.99. You can change the price to £13 and press OK. It's changed now. So if I scan it again, it's £13 now. So changing price is very easy. Order list, you can see all the order lists. At the end of the day, you can go to manager reports. In the reports, you can see all your cash transaction, card transaction, refunds, sales by user. You can print X report and Z report for your accountant. If you want to see sales analysis, you can see by department that how many cases you sold, how many headphones you sold, and how many unlocking you have done. You can also see by products. So if you want to see individual products, you can see how many Bluetooth headphone you sold, how many iPhone 5 cases you sold, or 6 or 7, and then you can print this information for later analysis, or you can export it for to Excel as well. Dashboard, you can see all your profit and loss figures. Hourly sales, you can see all hourly sales. Expenses, you will see all the expenses. VAT summary, if you're VAT registered, it will calculate VAT for you as well. Users, you can create more user account, you can give them different password, you can record their national insurance number, their pay rate, so that you can use this software to clock in clock out your staff member and calculate how many hours they have worked in a week. I hope you like this software, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to call me on 07948 515058, and then I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.